Welcome to Test Academia family. In this video lesson, we would go through some important 10 tips that would help you achieve Band 7 Plus in the writing module of IELTS. Now let's go through the strategies in detail. The strategy number one is it's important to understand the topic and task correctly. So if you don't understand the topic nicely and you start writing an essay, and if examiner thinks that you are not addressing the question which is asked, irrespective of how good your writing skills are, you would lose your points because examiner would stop reading thinking that you've gone off track. So it's important to address the topic and answer to only what is asked. Now you would always have just a couple of tasks given in each topic. And if you try to give some additional information on any task which is not asked, you will be penalized rather than being rewarded. If you're only asked to write or enlist the causes of a phenomena and you end up writing impact or solutions, you would lose your band and you would never get even a band 7 plus, because it's important to write only on the tasks which are asked in the topic. Strategy number two, you should plan your answer. Brainstorming is very important. So first few minutes should be given on the brainstorming, where you are enlisting all the important points which are relevant to the tasks which are asked, so that you can map out your ideas and then organize your points while writing an essay. Strategy number three, take care of your punctuation. Punctuation is very, very important. If you think that not putting a full stop is a small mistake which can be ignored, then you're mistaken, because all these punctuation marks are very important and they help in the correct understanding of the sentences. Otherwise, examiner would feel that your sentences have abruptly or begun, uh, all of a sudden, disrupting his understanding on your writing. So punctuation would also help in ensuring that your grammatical range and accuracy is being taken care of. All your words, phrases should be well connected using all these punctuation marks and using appropriate linkers in the sentences. If your writing is grammatically correct and everything is well connected, then this would enable a good understanding on your writing and examiner will be able to get the meaning as intended by you. Strategy number four, do not copy the question. So a lot of students, they think that they should begin the essay by just copying the topic which is given, and that's a wrong approach. You should always rephrase. There are multiple ways that you can, you know, create your topic sentences, and that has been discussed in depth with respect to varied topics in our pre-recorded lessons. So please go through our pre-recorded lessons on IELTS, and that would definitely help you understand how to create topic sentences with the limited vocabulary that you have. So variety of sentence structures is very important, so that you can use the limited knowledge that you have and still have a very impressive essay. Strategy number five is avoid using redundant phrases and words. Points should be necessarily relevant to the topic. If you can, express an idea using one single sentence, then avoid using 3 to 4 sentences to express the same idea. Redundancy of words and phrases or points in your writing would definitely reduce your band. So it's very, very important to write, crisp and correct sentences, use all kinds of sentence structures. Now, this concept is very well explained in our pre-recorded lessons in for IELTS, where we would help you improve your lexical resource or vocabulary by using multiple tools of either making variety of sentence structures or using synonyms, etc. That would definitely help examiner to develop a good impression about your writing and about your understanding on the language. Strategy number six, variety of vocabulary, as I've just mentioned, using different forms of sentences will enhance your scores. Strategy number seven, proofreading is crucial to improve your scores. So a lot of students do not get back to what they have written, and they are and they're writing the last word of their essay till the last second, we should always spare 5 minutes for proofreading so that we can correct our minor grammatical or connectivity related errors. Obviously, we cannot make huge changes, we cannot change the paragraphs, but yes, minor errors can be corrected in proofreading. So it's very, very important. So time management plays a very important role in your writing. Strategy number 8, avoid spelling errors, especially the commonly used ones. Our pre-recorded lessons enlist a commonly, um, you know, misspelt words, and you can always make a note of these misspelt words and correct yourself, learn them by heart, and avoid making these errors. Strategy number 9, you should tick your checkpoint list on evaluation parameters. The writing exam is not only testing you on your writing skills but primarily on giving the examiner what he's looking for. So, a list of evaluation parameters should be kept in mind while writing an essay so that you exactly know that you're taking care of all the parameters. So, once you go through our pre recorded sessions on IELTS, you would understand a checkpoint list that we have stated on evaluation parameters and how the examiner evaluates your essay looking at that checkpoint list. So if you can take care of all those points, you can definitely get a high score without being worried about not having amazing vocabulary or amazing writing skills. With limited knowledge on vocabulary and your writing skills, you can definitely get a good score by taking care of all the criteria which examiner is looking for while evaluating your writings. Strategy number 10, which is the most important one, last but not the least, practice on varied topics and get feedback. If you do not get feedback on your writings, you would never know where you're going wrong and you would just make the same mistake even after putting a lot of efforts. So get expert feedback, that is very important, and work on your improvement areas, and your one essay should be better than the other, and that's how you will get a good score, by taking care of all the evaluation criteria and taking useful feedback from experts. I hope this video was useful and this would help you definitely get your desired score in the least possible time. If you have any doubts or you want any clarification, please click onto the button below the video and we'll get back to you within no time. Do not forget to log into testacademia.com and go through a multiple packages on IELTS, PT, GRE, GMAT. Now these packages, especially for IELTS, would help you understand on the 100 plus pre-recorded lessons and the scored full-length tests that we provide, with in-depth evaluations and online tutor support that we would provide you till the time you get your desired scores, and you can suit your requirement and choose a package that you want. All the best for your preparation, and we would be happy to be a part of your journey while you're preparing for your exam, and thank you so much for your time.